Hello everybody, Cat Echoes here. Today I'll be showing you guys an example of a Discord glitch. So, without further ado, let's get started. So basically this glitch is to where you can make an ult account, or if your main for some reason gets banned from your server, there is a way to revoke this. And in this video I'm going to show you how exactly to do that. So first, let's say that my ult account right here, Secret Garden, it was banned. This won't actually happen to you though. In this glitch, Discord, just for some reason, it glitches and makes you think that you were banned, but really you weren't. However, in order to revoke this glitch, all you need to do is go to your bans and revoke every ban. Now this will take a longer time to do if your server is mega large, but in order to get like your alt, your co-owner, whatever to come back to the server because for some reason it says they're banned and you did not ban them, all you do is revoke every ban on the server and they can come back. So, for example, if I revoke Secret Garden, alright, and then it won't show on screen, but I'm on it on my phone. So if I click join now, it lets me back on. I would have shown you all like evidence, but like I don't know if I can. Actually, wait, let me see. Maybe I can. Let me see. Does the server have any bans? Should. It's been around for, yeah, that does have a ban. Okay, maybe this will work. That it won't let me on. Let me see. Invite people. Secret Garden. Okay. And it lets me on. Never mind. Alright, I got my ult on here now. Oh well. But yeah. Basically, it'll just say like, "Hey, you're banned." But really you weren't, and all you do is revoke all the bans on the server and you can join. It'll revoke your ban immediately, even if you weren't banned, and that is how it goes. I'm sorry this video was so short. It was just like a little thing to show because it happened on my Undertale server right here, and I just wanted to like help people out. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and comment, and have a great day.